These are crochet plushies, small kids like these, and these are flowers. These are bags.
I'm the owner of Paper Poetry.
That's the name behind my brand, Alan.
Hello everyone, I'm Lakisha Sangma, the owner of Lakisha Atelier.
My generation and the younger generation, they are all trying out different things.
Young minds are no longer waiting for long queues for government jobs. Instead, they are stepping out, taking risk, and building something of their own.
We deal with anti-tarnish jewelries.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Okay, so are you studying somewhere?
No, I'm done. I graduated. I don't know. As I'm living in Meghalaya, I feel like there's less opportunities for jobs here. So I feel like most youngsters they go for this, and yeah. So I feel like this is more like we can explore at the same time and earn at the same time. If you work at a government job, in the other hand, I feel like it's like I feel like, as for me personally, I feel like it's a prison. We just go 9 to 5 and then we go home and like that. So most youngsters, I think they choose this because it's more like free time and we earn money in our own time. I feel that if we work hard as a team, because I have my partner, yeah, if we work hard as a team, I think we will get somewhere. Like we're doing, but we're just starting this brand just 2 years back. So now we have like a little bit of progress. So I think we're gonna do a good job. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Rachel Alan Nikla, and that's the name behind my brand, Alan Elegance. I'm 23 years old, and I started this last year in the month of July 2025. It's going to be 1 year soon, and I'm doing it as my side business. So, are you studying also? I am also studying side by side. I just graduated, I think, 2 years back, and I've been preparing for like exams side by side. I'm also studying at home, and I personally I would say that as an experience for myself, I think I would like to advise people my age to still go for it, because everyone is entitled to their own opinions, and I think it's there's beauty in each in each choice, in each goal. I think with as for now, I've just started, so it's just been a few months. So as much as I can with any inspiration that I get, and most importantly, I listen to what my customers want, to what they demand, to my followers, my small followers. So.
Like this generation, like my generation and the younger generation, they are all trying out different things. They are not dependent on the government job. That's the best thing. Like everybody, like government can't like give job to everyone. We have to be independent, and we have to start by our own, and we have to represent our thing also. So yeah, it's a very good thing.
So I deal in handmade candles and also customized charms. We do handmade keychains, phone charms, accessories, and all those stuffs. We also import items and also try to amend them and give our own personal touch. These are all handmade. These are made from natural soy wax. The owner of this one is Casey Atelier, which is my sister. So we manage this. And I personally engage in these handmade accessories, which is gothic and also suitable for this generation. Actually, I started my work. I recently worked in post office and GDA's post, but due to the hectic schedule and 9 to 5 job, it was very unsettling for me. So I decided to move forward to my passion, which I started on 2021. So this is how I'm trying to emphasize myself and also expand my business. So I'm planning to expand these handmade accessories and also let people know, and also give so much of exposure of myself, and also see myself handling in eco-friendly items also.
My name is Rachna Thappa and I'm 21 years old. I'll choose entrepreneur, like looking at young entrepreneurs, not choosing what they want to do. It's like we feel so happy because
most people these days go for government job, and then it's like very low chances. But looking at like young entrepreneurs, no, it makes you so happy. Like they are choosing something instead of just sitting at home. No, like they are starting something. Like it's like we feel so happy, like seeing like local entrepreneur also like climbing higher. So
This growing entrepreneurship spirit is not happening in isolation. It is a signal that the vision and efforts of the state leadership is beginning to bear its fruit. This is Niharika Chaudhary for Hub News, Shillong.
Prangnam Ada Raju.
Salam nono riba.
Tarode namin suling ama.
Namen suling ba?
Angna jani resun ko nat kubo.
Monat ken.
Ada. Era meta ko merong sa.
Nono, yade plus F ni nisan tunggu pa 45 merong sa.
45 tunggu pa merong. Di pa ada. 45 merong aro ramram man ko pa merong ra dengdang ma. Nara phangna ramram man ko pa merong ko sa phala chimba.
Nono, anching salgum ko je ko ba chaya. Anching ni anching baljo kani sa pangchaka. Dau wiya niran dake. Maya gemak chi anching ara. Tik somai kata maninga ma. Tik somai kata manjagen chim ode anemia. Mani de an sibil griani. Night blindness. Anda ken walo nagna man gijak pa sabi sirang na ba donga.
Ada ya gemakara 45 merong baksara may baktong para.
Raani khangani donga no. Anchingni salan thiu cha ani o pena banga nam kani ram ko. Jekai iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A aru D managta amja. Jeni gamanan dakba sabisi ungna ba donga. Sorkari ansing baljokani ko rai makrakata. Tao FSSAI on ani kita merong ata kari dud aro mungsongpa thorango beena namgunirangko daude chimunge paskageno jechin naa salgamko platchiba 15% beena singbaljokanirko manangen yakona gana 45 ko chaimung masibo yakwa ansing altua en plus F ni nisan ko nkemuna masyayen
Andi pa ada. Plus 8 tunggu pa reson. Chingara bauni ko mangen.
nono yano uni gamanan sorkario reson scheme rango jekai ICDS MDM PDS magsongani de yarango pangchakani jechin mungsa centrally sponsored rice scheme ni mananigta fortified rice bisa okodongba magaparang ba chini bena namgani rangni gaman resoni dokano manani rangta nasmang gemuk nan sokatangiya taloni nasmakna aro anching sakan tini noktang rangna mangmang 45 merong
Kata de nangnin kake donga ada.
Yako Uwyatengpa, Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.